Hello students, good morning. See today in accounts class we are going to discuss from exercise number 15 to 19. See in the last class we have completed till sum number 14 which is included interest on drawings. Now exercise number 15 is also interest on drawings but one name of the method has been mentioned in the question. Calculate the interest on drawing. See the last line of the question by using the product method. Okay. So are you all understood the question? Now see the solution. So first I have written the heading interest on drawings by using product method. Then the date February 1st. Amount of drawings 2000. The period is, see the year end is 31st December. First thing is we have to see which year end they are following, either 31st March or 31st December. So here in the question they have mentioned 31st December. So calculate from February to December. That comes to 11 months. So 2000 into 11, 22,000. Are you all understood? So this is called as product. Then now see the second line. May 1st, 10,000. Again calculate from May to December. 8 months. So product is 80,000. Then again third one, July 1st, 4,006. 6 fours are 24,000. Then again October, 6,000 into 3, 24,000. Then again the last October month, 6,000 into 3, 18,000. So now we have to add the all the month products. So that comes to 1,44,000. Then again we are going to see per month how much a partner has withdrawn. So the total product 1,44,000 into rate of interest into per month means 1 by 12. That comes to 720 rupees. Are you all understood students? This is about sum number 15. Now next we are going slowly sum number 16. See in sum number 16 it is based on formula. I already told you interest on drawings we have a formula. Beginning, middle, end, quarter, end of each half year. So there are 5 formulas are there. So subdivision 1, beginning of every month. So if it is mentioned in the beginning of every month means the formula is amount into rate into 6.5 by 12. The 6.5 is the formula. So here the total amount of drawings is given in the question 30,000 into 4 by 100 into 6.5 by 12. That comes to 650. Then again second subdivision, middle of every month. So 30,000 into 4 by 100 into 6 by 12 is the formula. That comes to 600 rupees. Then third one is end of every month. 30,000 into 4 by 100 into 5.5 by 12. The 5.5 is the formula. That comes to 550 rupees. So are you all understood sum number 16? Beginning, middle, end. 6.5, 6, 5.5. Now next we are going slowly the 17th sum. 17th sum, the total amount of drawings is not given. So calculate the interest on drawings based on quarter. 1 year is equal to 4 quarter. So the amount multiplied by 4 that comes to 20,000. Now apply the formula. 20,000 into 6 by 100 into 4.5 by 12. That comes to 450. The 4.5 is nothing but the quarter formula. Any doubt students? Now next we are going sum number 18. Sum number 18 is same way. Calculate interest on drawings each half year. 1 year is equal to 2 half, 6 months and another 6 months. So 18,000 is given. So 18,000 multiplied by 2, that comes to 36,000. 36,000 into rate of interest into 9 by 12 is the amount of period. So that comes to 2,700. Okay, students. So that's all about our interest on drawings is over from the basic concepts. Now we are going to the last step, distribution of profit. So by starting the distribution of profit, sum number 19. Sum number 19, salary and commission has been distributed to the partners. There are 3 partners in a firm. Now first step is calculate the salary. Salary per month is 10,000. So we have to multiply by 12. 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. So the first entry is, the name of the partner is Kamali. Kamali salary account debtor to Kamali capital account, 1,20,000. So narration is, Kamali salary transferred to a capital account. Then the second entry, Lakshmi commission account debtor to Lakshmi capital account, 40,000 is the commission, that is also mentioned in the question. Now third entry is the transfer entry, transfer to profit and loss appropriation account, so that we are using profit and loss appropriation account here. Only in the partnership form only this account can be used. Companies and all final accounts can be used. So P&L appropriation account debtor to Kamali salary account and to Lakshmi commission account. Salary and commission transferred. So 1,20,000 plus 40,000, it comes to 1,60,000 will appear in the debit side. I adjusted and did the entries, but when we are doing in the accounts class work, do the as usual format for the journal entries. Okay, students. So again one more time I am revising what are the things we did in today's class. We have started from sum number 15, interest on drawings by using product method. Sum number 16 is formula, beginning, middle, end. Sum number 17 is quarter formula. Sum number 18 is end of each half year. Sum number 19 is distribution of profit. Entry we have written for salary and commission, and the transfer entry to profit and loss appropriation account. So again whatever sums we have completed 15 to 19, you have to one more time work out. Okay, students. Then in the next class I will be starting from sum number 20. Thank you students and good day to you.